Good morning, you guys. Good morning, yo. It's 11:47 right now. I'm starting late because in the morning was bad weather. It was snowing, ice, and all that stuff. Even the kids didn't go to school because they said, first of all, they called around 5 a.m. saying that it's gonna be 3 hours delay for the kids, and around 7 they called like the road's still not good, so they canceled the school for the whole entire day. So I was like, okay, so what's the plan? So right now I just checked all the roads, like all the snow melted, so the road looks good pretty much. So I said, you know what, let me go to work. So I am on my way going out Walmart right now to start my day, y'all. I hope today is going to be a busy day. I hope today we're going to make that money again. Who knows? Let's keep faith. You know? So catch you guys later when I have my first order. Let me give you an update, you guys. It's 1:20 right now, and I haven't received any order. They are sending a lot of orders. Like, if I say a lot, I have seen like more than 20 orders, but they all bad orders, and some are in a different market, like 15-minute drive, 20-minute drive, and I'm not going there. So I'm waiting on that good order between this Walmart and the other one that is 8-minute drive. So yo, I don't know about today, y'all. It's 1:20, by the way. So I think I've been waiting for an hour. I don't know. Let's keep waiting. Okay, it's 1:40 right now, and I received a shopping order, $13, and it's going 1 mile, and I'm shopping 16 items. And I'm only taking this order because there is nothing here, and I've been sitting here for a while. 16 items for $13, and altogether the 16 items altogether is like 33 items, the order quantity. So I'm only taking it because there's nothing, like there is nothing. I'm receiving a lot of orders, and bad orders. Oh my gosh, what a day. So let me go in and shop this order, and let's see how the rest of the day gonna go, y'all. Let's see how the rest of the day is going to go. Okay, I just delivered my first order. I am going back. So right now it's 2:14. So I think the orders, they're about to come back to back, because every day, every time when it's so slow, during in the morning, like after 2, it'd be busy. So let me see if it's going to be busy after 2, if I'm getting orders back to back. I hope so. Okay, I just got another shopping order, you guys. $15. I'm going to shop for 4 items, and it's going 3 miles. 3 miles. that's it, yeah, that's it. So let's go and check out right now. This is it. Okay, yeah, so this order over here, it was $16, and I had to shop for 23 items, and I had to go 3 miles. So I was on a phone, that's why I didn't show from the beginning. So I am over, excuse me, I'm here now. Let's drop it off, y'all. Yo, this is my third order, you guys. This is my third order, and right now it's 4. That's how freaking slow today is. Okay, yeah, it's about to be 5. Yeah, it's about to be 5, and I'm still waiting for orders. So I just decided to walk in Walmart just to look stuff around because I needed this for my daughter's room. So I decided to get it, and I've been hearing people say this lotion is good, so I want to take one and go try it out. But first I want to smell them so I can be able to take something that I love the smell. Let me see. Ooh, actually this one smells good. Fresh and cozy. It smells good. Let me smell this other one. I love the smell of that one. Let me smell this one. It smells good, but I love the other one. I already smelled this other color, so yeah, I'm taking this. It smells too good. Okay, I got an order, y'all. Let me go check. Got an order, $20, and it's going 3 miles, and it's 3 drops. So the pickup time is 5:05, and right now is 4:50. So let me go check out this. And oh, where's my lotion? Did I put it in? Oh yeah, I did. So let me go check out this stuff over here and go wait for my order. So I've been waiting for almost 20 minutes now, so I'm giving them 5 more minutes. If the order is not done by 5 minutes, I'm gonna get out of here and go home. Only 5 more minutes. If they don't bring my order, I'm going to cancel it. Try, they're taking too long. Let's wait. And I think this is gonna be my last order anyway, because now it's 5:20 something. So by 5:30 it's gonna get dark. So I think it's gonna be my last one. Let's see. Hello, 22, 24. No, it's cold. It's too cold. Okay, when I took this order, I thought it was going downstairs. So come to find out, it's going upstairs on C. So I thought C was downstairs, but on this one over here, it's going upstairs. But hey, we got it already, so we need to figure out about this. We will figure out, yeah, we will figure out. Okay, let me take 2 trips. I need to take 2 trips with all this, y'all. Let me try my best. Okay, I did it. So let's take this also. Let me see. Let me do this. No. Let me do this. And do this. And let's go. Oh. Okay, my second drop off, y'all. This one is easy. It's only one trip, and I'm only one trip, y'all. Come on. Okay, gotta be careful over here. It might be slippery. Okay, you guys, all right. This is the end of my video. It's 5 right now, and guess how much money we made, you guys? Which from I think was 12 something, almost 1 to 5. We made $67, you guys. It was that slow, you guys. Today was that slow. They kept bringing a lot of orders, but a lot of orders was trash. If those orders was good orders, whoo, baby, would have been I would have made a lot of money. But a lot of orders, there was bad orders. I didn't take them. So yeah, $67, you guys. Ooh. So tomorrow is another day. Let's hope tomorrow is going to be a great day. Let's hope nothing happens tomorrow, so I can work from my 7 to 6. Okay, so thank you for watching, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. I see it's no, anyway, hold up. How was your today? Like, was your today this slow too, or like, talk to me, let me know, you guys. Let me know in the comment below, how was today? Because down here, so I'm guessing people who came in the morning too was like slow, because when I came, it was nothing. So yeah, so how was today, you guys? Tell me, let me know. Did you work full hours, full time? Like, how many hours did you work? Bye bye. See you tomorrow.